Assalamualaikum and a very good day class. So now we go to week 2 part 2b video, which is we still under separable equations. But before this, you have know how to identify is it that equation or that ordinary differential equation can be classified as separable or not. But today we'll go how to solve that separable equation. So here there are two steps. The first step, you need to rewrite the equation in terms of separable equation. Means that if you have your dy dx equal to function of x and y, you need to factorize this function such that it can be factorized in terms of gx times hy. And then you can write that function which is the dependent variable term is the right hand side and the independent variable term is located at the left hand side. And then class, step number 2, once we got this one, we can integrate both sides of this function to get the solution of the respective ordinary differential equation. So class, we go to this example. Solve dy dx equal to 1 plus y squared. In this case, if you look at here, you don't have term x. Means that actually it just multiply by 1. So in this case, we can write our equation in terms of separable equation. Means that we have our dy, which is divided by 1 plus y squared, which is this dx we move to this side, so equal to dx. How to solve this one? You need to integrate both sides. Means that I integrate here both sides so that integration of this part, you can see the function is quite complicated. But how can you integrate this part? Actually, you can refer to mathematical formula book, which is when we integrate, okay, integration of 1 plus y squared dy from the mathematical formula book, we can get the answer at tangent y. Okay, so that's why we got here the at tangent y. And when we integrate this one, we got here for this part integration of dx. Actually, here it is like integration of 1 dx. So this is constant. When we integrate this one, we will got here integration of 1 dx. You got x, and then you need to plus with the constant c. It's like what we have learned in week 1. So here, when I solve this one, for this part, I got at tangent y. So I have here at tangent y equal to x plus c. But you cannot leave your answer like this because you have to make y as a subject. Means that you need to move this at tangent to this side. This one is at tangent. When we move to this side, so we got here y equal to tangent, which is put here all in the bracket, tangent x plus c. This is our final answer. And then class, try to solve this differential equation. So here we have x dy dx equal to 1 plus y. In this case, I can write here this differential equation as separable equation. So my step number 1, I have dy divided by this 1 plus y, we move to this side, and all x and dx we move to this side. So I have dy divided by 1 plus y equal to this one go to this side. So I have here 1 over x dx. Means that first step here, I have, for example, I write dy dx equal to this side I have 1 plus y. I move first this x to this side, so it is divided by x. And then once I have this one, I can move this 1 plus y here, and dx I move here. So I have dy divided by 1 plus y equal to 1 over x dx. This is our step number 1. And then step number 2, we need to integrate both sides. So we integrate 1 over 1 plus y dy equal to integration 1 over x dx. Actually, class, This is a basic integration knowledge that you need to learn from calculus. That's why applied mathematics is advanced topic, which is the basic prerequisite for this subject is calculus. You need to know how to differentiate function, and also you need to know how to integrate function. For this part, when we integrate here, we integrate 1 over 1 plus y here dy respect to y. Integration this one, you will got here ln 1 plus y. Why here we have absolute value? Because ln function, this term cannot be negative. It should be positive. If it is negative, it will be undefined. And then class, when I want to integrate this side, which is integration 1 plus 1x dx, it is directly. You can base on the mathematical formula book. You'll got here ln x plus c. So in this case, when I substitute all this in this integration, I solve this integration, I have ln 1 plus y equal to ln x plus c. I write it again. Previously, we have ln 1 plus y divided by ln x, which is equal to c. Based on logarithm law, we can write it ln 1 plus y divided by x, which is equal to c. When we have this one here, again, the next step, you need to write y as subject. So you need to move this ln to this side. Means that you will have here 1 plus y divided by x equal to exponential of c. Okay, because when this ln we move to this side, it's become exponential function. When I move this x to this side, I will have here 1 plus y equal to x times, let's say I write the exponential of c as a, because it is just constant. Let's say we put here it's just a constant a equal to exponential of c. So I have here a times x, and then y, which is this one moved to this side, I have ax minus 1. So this is our final answer for this solution. Means that for this ordinary differential equation, by using separable method, y here is given by ax minus 1. Class, we go to this example. Now we want to solve this x dx minus y squared dy equal to 0. In this case, let me check for the first step, number 1, whether we can write this equation in terms of separable equation or not. If you see here, this one already separate. So I have here negative y squared dy equal to negative x dx. Means that I can write y squared dy equal to x dx. How can we solve this one? We go to the second step, which is we need to integrate both sides, which is we have integration of y squared dy equal with integration of x dx. It is easy to integrate this function because this function is just polynomial function. So integrating of y squared dy will give us y to the power of 3 divided by 3. And integrating this side will give us x to the power of 2 divided by 2 plus c. And then class, again, we need to write this equation in terms of y as subject. When we move this 3 to this side, I will have here y to the power of 3 equal to 3 times x to the power of 2 divided by 2 plus c. So we will have here 3 over 2x squared plus 3c. And then remember this one, this side should be in terms of y only. We have here power 3. Move this one to this side, we'll got y equal to 3 over 2x to the power of 2 plus 3c. Here should be power 1 over 3. Because here power 3, you move to this side, so 1 over 3. This is the final solution for this example.